So I'm pretty happy with my polycarbonate framed drone. Did you know that this is the stuff they make riot shields out of? It's very strong. So the transparent drone, so you get a really good idea of all the components in it now. And I've put the same red props on. I had a problem where I was getting rotten, lousy reception on the ground. So as a result of that, I double twisted wires to make sure to minimize interference. When that didn't help, I changed over the camera. In fact, I changed the camera 3 times, tried 3 different cameras. Then I changed the VTX, so I had a spare one of these. I've now bought some more modern ones that are coming soon. So I was running out of things to do, and then I suddenly thought, I wonder if there's something to do with what's on the ground. So what I found out, this is a gear running on the ground, and it's got 2 ports on it, because they had some crazy idea of quad diversity, which never really worked out. In fact, while the goggles are great, the VTXs are pretty ordinary. So I have a Rapidfire one in. So what I found out was simply moving the Rapidfire module from the bay that I'd used all the time to the other bay that I'd never used, and suddenly it burst into life with a nice stable image. Because the problem was, it would start off normal, and then you'd get rolling and interference, all sorts of things. So I thought, particularly once it was in the air, so I thought, yeah. So it took me a long time to realise what it was. So that's the way with problem solving. You replace everything, and then when you've replaced everything and it's still not improving, then you've realised you haven't done everything, and you think of something else. So this is it for this week. Just a cautionary tale, I suppose. But as I say, this stuff is incredibly strong. Very happy with how it flies, and it's had one rough landing that didn't phase it at all. So I think I'll be using more of this material in the future. So bye for now.